Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Emmanuel and I'm excited to take you on this creative journey with me. Here, I'll be sharing tips, tricks, and tutorials on flyer designs and more using Photoshop. Whether you are a beginner or looking to refine your skills, you are in the right place. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. Let's dive in and create something amazing together. I believe design is all about expressing creativity while solving problems. And through these videos, I will help you bring your ideas to life. If you have any questions or suggestions for future tutorials, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. Your feedback helps me create content that is tailored to your needs. Let's explore the world of design, one project at a time. Now, grab your tools and let's get started. Like I always say, keep it fresh, keep it fun. See you soon. Don't be late. Thank you.